Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Imogen. I'm a third year student at the London School of Economics and today we are doing another day in my life. It's currently the 16th of February. However, we do not have uni again until the 7th of March because of the uni strikes at the moment. We've already had 1 week of no uni and we've got another 3 to go. But this does not mean that we don't have our deadlines. It just means we don't get the teaching for our deadline. So we're essentially having to teach ourselves the course. So we do have to do a little bit of work and today I'm determined to have a productive day because I'm going to be honest, with no classes, I have spent the last week working on other things like social media and just enjoying myself. It's currently 7:30 in the morning and we've just been scrolling TikTok this morning. But we are going to be productive today, so we're going to get up now, I think, and go and find some breakfast and then wander down to campus. Accommodation, it's about 9:15, so we should be in the library by about 15:15, but obviously you've got to have a prep stop first. So we just arrived on campus and we're heading straight to the library. However, because we're going to be productive this morning, I'm manifesting it, we are going to the silent study zone, so I won't be able to talk to you about what I'm doing. But the plan is, I've got a formative that is due in on Monday. It's for my gender, space and power module. So I have decided to write about the gendered and racialised aspect of running because we're given quite a lot of free rein in third year to pick our own essay topic. It's lunchtime. There's a picket line. UCU, University College Union, so it's the union that are striking. So one of our favourite places to eat called Topoluna, it's near our halls of residence when I used to live in London. They have just opened up a branch really near uni, which is so good, and this week is their opening week. So to celebrate, they are doing £1 signature bowls, so each day it's a different bowl that you can get for £1. They're normally about £8 or £9. So we are going today because they've got a falafel one which we really want to try, and you can't go wrong for lunch for £1. As much as our salad was lovely, what have you got now? A dry bagel, we'll get the carbs in, we've got to run later, and an apple from Harry Krishna, who is a free food man, and he's got a friend today. We're back. I'm going to do a few small tasks first, and then I'm going to move back onto essay plan and see if I can get that finished. I actually need to go and find a book, which is something that I have only done once in my whole 3 years at LSE, so I'm going to bring you with me because it's going to be a bit of a challenge. I've just done another hour and a half on that essay plan and I think I'm finally happy with where it's at. But anyway, we're going to go and look for a book because I'm bored and I need something to do. The book I'm looking for is called Real Women Run. So I'm just looking it up on the catalogue. Right, I've now got to write down this and then go, oh, locate. Does it tell me where it is? Whoa, look at that. Okay, second floor. I'm currently on the first floor. and I need to go behind the computers in the middle. Right, we're looking for 1233. Oh, that's not far enough. Oh, maybe it's on this side. Ah, here we go. Guys, I've lost the will to live. My references, because we have to do this thing called an annotated bibliography, so we have to basically say what is in some of these papers. I can't get Word to sort it for me, so I'm having to do it by hand, but I'm really struggling with the alphabet. Guys, although I said I wanted to have this done in about an hour this morning, I have just finished. It is 3:45, but I have finished my essay plan and I can finally submit it, which I'm very excited to do. Work for the day is over. I'm going to go and borrow my book so that I can take it home and do a bit of work, because I don't know when I'll next be on campus, because as I said, I've got no uni for a while. The plan for now is to head to the SU, get changed, and we're going to go on a run. We've just got back from our run. It was good today, yeah, and now we've got cupcakes because in a minute we do actually have a spin class, so it's a bit of a busy day, but we have just sat in the library all day, so it was nice to get a bit of fresh air.
Take off your seat, prepare yourself in 3, 2, off your seat, let's go.
We've just done spin, hence why I look like a tomato. How was it? Good. It was good. Very hard tonight. Very, very hard session. But it feels good to have done it after a day in the library. Get your body moving and all that. I've just got home from uni. Sorry, I've already started munching on a carrot because I'm so hungry. So I'm about to cook some dinner and then I think the plan is just to head to bed. It is already 9 o'clock and I'm absolutely shattered today. I've just got into bed and I'm reading a book called Your Pace or Mine at the moment, which is all about running. It's just like short stories about people running. So to be honest, I'll probably only read a couple of pages of this before I switch off the light because I'm shattered today. But thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it might have been a little bit more boring than the usual super hectic, busy days in my life. But that's the reality of what uni looks like while strikes are on. I hope you've enjoyed it nonetheless, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye.